Alright guys, like I said, I'm here at Brothers Motors. We about to, I think he got a Durango here with a 5.7 Hemi making a ticking noise also, so we're gonna find out what that's all about. Alright, yeah, that's it right here. It's pretty loud too, and it's dumping raw fuel into the cat, so I want to start this up and see what we come up with. Oh, he putting a transmission in that handicap van right there. What else he got in here? Oh, like a Toyota. Yeah, we replaced this. I might hang on to this, guys, because you know, pretty much the internals is usually a torque converter and a front pump. Usually, I got to find out what was the fault code, but I can get away with just a new torque converter and a front pump, and I have an overhaul kit, so I'm gonna do a complete overhaul on it, hang on to it. I've always wanted to catch this transmission, pretty much interchangeable with a lot of Chrysler products. Alright, so that's how it's going down with that one. I don't know what this come out of, but it doesn't matter. So we're about to find out what's going on with this Durango. I thought it had a 3.6 in it. It's kind of huge. Yes, Mopar do make the intake setup, core air intake setup. Doesn't have to be K in the end. I ain't know, man. I'm one of those Mopar OEM guys. Like, if Mopar make it, I'd rather their version. Now, everybody's different, right? That's the Sebring I gotta check out. The guy just dropped off. Alright, got some issues going on. Cat converter codes. Guys, you can't fix a cat converter, so I don't know what he mean about see if you can fix my catalytic converter. I'm like, buddy, you can't fix, and these are fairly high. I think this have the little, I have the key right here. I think this had a little 4-cylinder in it. Yeah, remember I was talking about the convertible? Yes. Did this one go down? Oh, okay. I was wondering, did it have a drop feature? Smart glass setup, guys. When you pull this handle, this glass is supposed to go down to clear this channel. If not, you can potentially break the glass. So let's do it. I'm gonna angle my phone where I can see both. When I pull the hanger, watch the glass go down. I see that. So it's down now. When I close the glass, it's gonna go back up. Watch this. Close it all the way. Yeah, see that it went up on its own. That's a smart glass feature put in place so you do not damage the glass. All convertible, at least Mopar, Chrysler do. I don't know about the other brands, but yeah. So let's see. 4-cylinder, good. And that is a fairly new alternator, but he hearing alternator noise. I don't know, so I have to drive it. Now guys, another shop had this shop. I don't really feel a lot of pity for guys that bring me their cars after they leave another shop. Man, I can't even call that, I can't even say I'm honored. I mean, because you tried, I don't know if you tried a cheaper way out or you tried, and for all I know, you might have paid a lot. A lot of people would try an expensive way just to get out of letting somebody else. I don't understand people's decision-making process. You got a guy that specializes in something, a brand such as this. Why would you even have it in the hands of somebody else? He's gonna always meet and beat the competitive price. Not really alternator noise. But we'll have to pull that belt off, spin those pulleys. You seem to think it's alternator oil. We just put alternator on it. Well, maybe that's not your problem, buddy. But I gotta scan this thing and go drive it, guys. So it's the first order of business. But for now, let's go take a listen to this Dodge Durango. All right, we'll worry about this later because I really have to scan. Is the check engine light on? Yes. Do have the check engine light on. So I have to. We'll figure something out. For now, let's go listen to this Dodge Durango. Whoa. Yeah, you better get a whole complete engine with this mug. I mean, how do you isolate bottom end? That's deeper than a typical rock on typical line way. Are you gonna leave? What'd you tell to do?
I know these cams and shit, but I hear that knock when you first start it up.
Yeah.
And then you hear the cam, then you just hear the cams after a little while, but when you first start it up, I hear a knock. You don't hear the knock anymore. You hear it? That's just a lifter right there.
So one would think it's just typical cam and lifter right now, but man, that first start up thud, I don't know about all that.
Yeah, but I mean, it's misfiring though, so that could be like
a camshaft with the lifters.
Huh?
But it's just risky to pull that cam out. Now, if you pull the cam out, you see the rockers fail and collapse. And yeah, but
you already know it's a cam.
Yeah. So what's the debate? If there's any further, if it's bottom end, and it's a big debate, a huge debate, huge risk, a lot of miles. Yeah, he said 156. What you charging?
It ain't the risk ain't.
I understand. It ain't worth it if it's gonna bite you in the
I
ass.
told them it need the engine. I said it might be the engine, but they talking about somebody already been in this motherfucker.
Oh man, yeah, you taking all of that.
When I gave them the estimate on the cam and lifter, then she came out when she came and gave me the money for the part. Then she said, "Oh, somebody been in the engine before." And I was like, "Hell no, I don't know what this is." Huh?
What part? The bottom end?
They said they did that shit before about like a couple years ago.
Cam and take away all your risk. Get an engine. Why don't you just add in, factor in how much the engine go and add it in?
I was gonna do that, but the engine's high as fuck. Yeah, it's like I found one for like 34. But you hear that? I know that's cam and lifter. But when you first start.
Yeah, it's too much risk, man. So